Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. In this session we are learning new chapter rational numbers. The word rational came from the term ratio children. See ratio, right? Here it came from the term ratio. Ratio means 2:3, 5:4, correct? These are the ratios you already know, right? Can I write 2:3 like 2 by 3? 5:4 like 5 by 4? Is it correct? So rational numbers can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is an integer but not 0. Rational numbers can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is an integer but Q is not 0. The denominator should not be 0, children, correct? So here in the rational numbers, what all the number systems includes? Rational numbers includes all natural numbers, whole numbers, fractions and integers. Right children? Here we have two types of rational numbers, children. One is positive rational numbers and other one is negative rational numbers. What are the positive rational numbers? See, 3 by 8, 5 by 7, 2 by 3. Now see, in numerator and denominator also we have positive sign only. Here also and here also. Correct? So both the numerator and denominator of these numbers are positive integers. Such a rational number is called positive rational number, children. Correct? Now we'll see negative rational numbers, children. Now see the examples. Minus 5 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 4. Now see here, in numerator we have negative sign. Here the negative rational numbers have numerator is negative integer and the denominator is positive integer. Right children? Such rational numbers are called negative rational numbers. Here you didn't see any negative sign. Correct? So these are all positive numbers. Positive rational numbers. Now here we have negative sign in numerator. So these are all negative rational numbers, children. Now we'll see what are the equivalent rational numbers, children. See here we have minus 3 by 5, one rational number, negative rational number. We want equivalent rational numbers for this number. Right children? So here I am multiplying with 3 here and 3 here. If you are multiplying numerator with any number means you have to multiply with the same number in denominator also, children. Right? Now see, minus 3 into 3, it is minus 9 by 5 into 3. 15. So the answer is minus 9 by 15. Here we can say minus 3 by 5 and minus 9 by 15 are equivalent rational numbers. 3 3s are and 3 5s are. So the answer is minus 3 by 5. Correct children? Now see here. Here also we have minus 3 by 5. Can we write minus 3 by 5 equivalent to minus 9 by 15? Exactly. We'll see one more example. Minus 2 by 3 here. So I am multiplying with 2 in numerator and denominator also. What is the equivalent fraction? Minus 4 by 6. If I want one more equivalent fraction for this minus 2 by 3 means I have to multiply with another number. Simple. Into 3. Into 3 here also. So what is the answer? Minus 2 into 3 minus 6 by 3 into 3 is 9. Write 3 equivalent rational numbers for minus 3 by 4. Let's start children. Here minus 3 by 4. What we have to do here? By multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by same non-zero integer, we will obtain the equivalent rational numbers for the given rational number, children. So that now we have to multiply with the same number, any same integer. Okay, let us take 2 here. What is the answer? Minus 3 into 2, minus 6 by 4 into 2, 8. This is 1 and we'll do one more. Into 3 here. Any number you can take but it should not be 0. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. 4 into 3, 12. Here I am taking 5. Minus 3 into 5, minus 15. 4 into 5, 20. Now see here. Minus 6 by 8 and minus 9 by 12 minus 15 by 20 are equivalent rational numbers for minus 3 by 4, children. How to represent rational numbers on a number line, children? You already know that how to represent numbers on number line. See here all positive numbers and here all negative numbers, right? Let us take example minus 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now we will represent these rational numbers on this number line, right children? Now see here, all the positive integers are on right side and the negative integers are on left side and middle is 0. Correct children? Now see our denominator, it is 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So our denominator is 2. Now let's take numbers same with the denominator 2. From here 0 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2. Now negative integers minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2, minus 5 by 2, so on. Now see the number line children, now with same denominator, correct? Now it is very easy to represent 1 by 2. Where is 1 by 2? It is a positive rational number. So this side, 1 by 2 is here. Just circle that number. Now minus 3 by 2. It is a negative rational number. So look here left side. Where is minus 3 by 2? This one. Now see minus 5 by 2. This is also negative number line. This is also a negative rational number. So left side it will be. This is minus 5 by 2. Represent minus 5 by 2 on number line. Correct children? If you have 1 by 3 minus 3 by 3 minus 5 by 3 also, take the same denominator. Take the same interval and same denominator and represent the same rational numbers on number line like this. Rational numbers in standard form, children. Observe these rational numbers. 1 by 2, minus 5 by 8, 3 by 4, minus 7 by 11. Now here see all the denominators with positive sign. There is no negative sign in denominator. Only we have negative sign in numerators. Right children? The denominators of these rational numbers are positive integers. And 1 is only the common factor for numerator and denominator. That means negative sign occurs only for numerator children, not for denominator. Right? So this is called standard form. That means if rational number is in the form of p by q means p should be positive or negative. P can be positive or negative. But q should be positive integer. Always denominator should be positive integer children. Comparison of rational numbers children. First we'll do two positive rational numbers. Comparison of two positive rational numbers, right? Here I am taking 1 by 2 and one more rational number 1 by 5. Right children? Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? How do we do? This is already learned in fractions topic, right? This comparison we have already learned in fractions, right? So let us start. Here we have different denominators. Here we have 2, here we have 5. Correct children? So we have to get same denominator. Now see here 5 and 2 LCM is 10. So I am making this 2 as 10 by multiplying with 5. So here also we have to multiply with 5. Now 5 means we have to get the denominator as 10. Multiply with 2 here and here also 2. Now this will become 5 by 10 and this will become 2 by 10. Now it is easy to compare. Both are with same denominator. This is 5 by 10 and this is 2 by 10. Which number is greater? 5 is greater. That means 1 by 2 is greater. Right children? Now we are comparing two negative rational numbers children. Let us take example minus 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 5. Here also same thing, but we have negative signs here. Just avoid this negative signs. Write 1 by 3 here and 2 by 5 here. As it is whatever we have done with the first method, same thing we have to follow here. Just avoid negative signs first. Now compare the denominators 3 and 5. Both are different denominators. Let's make into equivalent fractions like equal denominators. Correct, children? So 3, 5 LCM is 15. Here I am multiplying with 5 and here also I am multiplying with 5. 3 5s are 15, right? Here we have 5. Let us make the denominator as 15 so that I am multiplying with 3 in numerator and denominator also. Now what is the answer here? Here 1 by 3 became 5 by 15. Now here 2 by 5 became 6 by 15. Now tell me which one is greater and which one is smaller? 6 is greater. But here we have negative signs. So we have to reverse the order. So this is the greater one. To compare two negative rational numbers, we have to compare them by ignoring the negative sign first. And we have to reverse the order. That's it. See, this is greater actually when you are comparing positive rational numbers. But here we are comparing two negative rational numbers. So just reverse the order. Correct, children? Minus 1 by 3 is greater. By applying the sign, this will be minus 5 by 15 and this will be minus 6 by 15. When you have negative signs, how much smaller number, that is the greater. Correct, children? Just reverse the order. Now negative and positive rational numbers. Let us take example minus 2 by 3 and plus 1 by 2. Here it is very easy. Always negative number is lesser than the positive number. No need to do all this simplification or explanation also. Always negative rational number is lesser than the positive number. Right, children? Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Right, children? If I ask you what are the numbers between 1 and 5 means you will tell 2, 3, 4 because you know these numbers, right? Natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Here we want rational numbers between two rational numbers. Correct, children? Let's take example minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. I want rational numbers in between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. So convert these rational numbers as same denominators. Right, children? So LCM is 15. 3 and 5 LCM is 15 here. Now multiply with 3 here because I want 15. Denominator 15. So here you multiply with 5. 5 3 0 is 15 and here also. Now what is this rational number? Minus 9 by 15 and here minus 5 by 15. Now compare numerators now. Minus 9 here, minus 5 here. Now we can write many rational numbers in between, children. Minus 9 by 15, minus 8 by 15 here, minus 7 by 15, minus 6 by 15, now minus 5 by 15. Correct, children? Not only these numbers, children, we can write many more numbers. We can write many more rational numbers in between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. You just multiply the denominator with different numbers. You can multiply the denominator with different numbers, children. But you have to make both the rational numbers denominators as same. See here, 5 into 6 is 30. 3 into 10 is 30. Here also I am multiplying with 6. Here I am multiplying with 10. Minus 3 by 5 became minus 18 by 30 here. Now this minus 1 by 3 became minus 10 by 30 here. Now check here, minus 18 and minus 10. You can write many more numbers in between. Minus 17 by 30, minus 16 by 30, minus 15 by 30, minus 14 by 30, minus 13 by 30, minus 12 by 30, minus 11 by 30. Right, children? If you want many more rational numbers means you have to multiply the denominator with any other number like 10, 30, 20. But you have to make it sure that both the denominators should be same. Right, children? Now we will see the main operations on rational numbers. What are those? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First one is addition. Addition of two rational numbers, children. Let's take an example, 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. Here we have same denominator, so it is easy. 5 is LCM, 1 plus 2 in numerator. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 by 5. Now we will see with different denominators. Right, children? Addition of two rational numbers with different denominators. Let's take example 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7. Here we have 5, here we have 7. Now what we have to do? We have to change the denominator into same denominator. What is 5 and 7 LCM, children? That is 35. So I am multiplying this 2 by 5 into 7 here, 7 here. So that 5 sevens are 35. Here 3 by 7 became into 5 here, into 5 here. 2 sevens are 14 and 5 sevens are 35. It is 14 by 35. Plus 3 fives are 15 divided by 7 fives are 35. Now see, children, 2 by 5 became 14 by 35 here and 3 by 7 became 15 by 35 here. Very easy to add now because both are with equivalent denominators. So 35 is LCM, 14 plus 15 in numerator. What is 14 plus 15, children? 29 by 35 is the answer. Clear? Now addition of one negative rational number and one positive rational number, children. Here you see both the denominators are same. Same like it is. Right, children? 5 is LCM. So in numerator minus 11 and here it will be plus 7. So the answer is minus 4 by 5. Right, children? Let us take another example, children. 7 by 3 plus of minus 5 by 3. Here one positive rational number and one negative rational number. Now we have to add these two rational numbers. Here you see both have same denominator. Write 3 in denominator now. 7 here plus of minus 5 by 3. That means plus of minus 5. We have already studied plus into minus. It is minus 5. Now see the answer. 7 minus 5 it is 2 and denominator is 3. 2 by 3 is the answer. Right, children? This is the way how we do positive rational number and negative rational number additions. Let us do subtraction of rational numbers. 8 by 21 minus 4 by 21 I am taking. Right? Here you check the denominator. Same. So LCM is 21 only. In numerator 8. Here in it is minus 4. What is 8 minus 4, children? 4. 4 by 21. It is very easy with same denominator. Now we will see with different denominator, children. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, children. Now see here denominators are different. 2 here, 4 here. What is the LCM? Here the LCM is 4, children. So I am making the denominator as 4 here. That means I have to multiply with 2 and here also 2. Here already we have 4. No need to multiply with any number. Right, children? Or you can multiply with only 1. Okay? Now check the denominators now. This is also 4. This is also 4. 1 into 2, 2 by 4. Minus 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 1, 4. Now 1 by 2 became 2 by 4. And 1 by 4 is same. 1 by 4 only. Both are with same denominators. Now use the same process. LCM is 4. In numerator 2 minus 1. What is the answer, children? 1 by 4. Right? So whenever you see different denominators, change into same denominator, then do the same operation. Anything. Addition or subtraction. Now multiplication, children. First we will see multiplication of rational numbers with positive integer and with negative integer. Right? Here I have a rational number 3 by 5. Now I am multiplying with positive number. Let's take it is 7. What is the answer? Just multiply numerator with numerator, children. 3 sevens are 21 divided by 5. Here nothing is there means 1. 5 ones are it is 5. Now we will multiply with negative integer. 3 by 5 into minus 7. Correct, children? Here also in denominator nothing is there means write 1, children. Now multiply numerator with numerator. 3 into minus 7, minus 21 divided by 5 into 1, 5. Very easy, right? Now multiplication of two rational numbers. Here one positive rational number, here one negative rational numbers. Right children? Same it is. 3 5s are 15, but here we have minus sign. So it is minus 15, and in denominator 7 11s are 77. Minus 15 by 77 is the answer, children. Now we'll take two positive rational numbers. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6. 1 by 6 is the answer, children. Now division of two rational numbers, children. Here we are dividing 1 by 2 with 3 by 5. 1 by 2 I am writing as it is. When you are dividing two rational numbers, the division symbol will be multiplication symbol, and the second rational number will be the reciprocal, that is 5 by 3. It is very easy concept, children. You have to write the first rational number same as it is 1 by 2, and the second rational number change it into reciprocal, that is just invert the fraction. 3 by 5 became 5 by 3 here, and division symbol will be multiplication symbol. Then you do the same process when you are doing multiplication. The same thing you have to do here also, right? 5 1s are 5 and 2 3s are 6 is the answer. 5 by 6 is the answer, children. Now one more example, children. One negative rational number and one positive rational number division. Here minus 1 by 2 dividing with 4 by 3. What we have to do? Minus 1 by 2 we have to write as it is. First rational number we have to write as it is. And this division symbol will be multiplication symbol, and the second rational number will be reciprocal, that is 3 by 4. 4 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 4. Now you do multiplication as it is. 3 1s are 3, but we have minus sign. So minus 3 by 4 2s are 8. Minus 3 by 8 is the answer, children. Let's start exercise 9.1, children. First question, list 5 rational numbers between. First one, minus 1 and 0. First we will write these numbers in the form of rational numbers, that is P by Q. This one minus 1 by 1, and this one I can write it as 0 by 1. 0 by 1 anyway it is 0 only, and minus 1 by 1 anyway it is minus 1 only. Right, children? Now we want 5 rational numbers in between. Let's multiply the denominator with 10 here, and for this one also. Correct, children? So now minus 1 became minus 10 by 10 and 0 became 0 by 10. Now we'll write the rational numbers in between. Minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10. You can write so on until 0 by 10. Right, children? Second one, minus 2 and minus 1, children. Let's write in the form of P by Q first, that is minus 2 by 1 here and minus 1 by 1 here. We want 5 rational numbers in between. Let's multiply these rational numbers with 6. In denominator and numerator here also. Now minus 2 became minus 12 by 6 and minus 1 became minus 6 by 6. Now we can write rational numbers. Right, children? Minus 12 by 6, here minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6 here, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6 and minus 6 by 6 already there. Right, children? These are the rational numbers in between minus 2 and minus 1. Third one, minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3, children. Now see here, both the rational numbers have different denominators, 5 and 3. Let us make into same denominators, right? Here I am multiplying with 9. So that my denominator is, here I am multiplying with 9 so that the denominator is 5 9s are 45. Correct, children? So now here also I want the denominator as 45. Minus 2 by 3 into 15 here, because 3 15s are is 45 children. Now minus 4 by 5 became minus 36 by 45 and minus 2 by 3 became minus 30 by 45. Now in between we can write 5 rational numbers. Minus 36 by 45, minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 32 by 45, minus 31 by 45, and here we have minus 30 by 45 children, right? Fourth question children, minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Let's make this denominator same. Here I am multiplying 2 by 3 into 10 here. Now see my denominator, it is 3 times are 30. Now here also I need to make this denominator 30. That means I have to multiply with 15. You can take any number children, right? But your denominator should be equal. So this will be minus 15 by 30 and this will be 20 by 30. Now denominators are same. Minus 1 by 2 became minus 15 by 30. 2 by 3 became 20 by 30. Now we'll write rational numbers in between children. Now here minus 14 by 30, minus 12 by 30, minus 11 by 30, minus 10 by 30, minus 9 by 30, minus 8 by 30, so on. Here we have 5 rational numbers. Right children? We'll see the remaining questions in next session children. Thank you very much.